Hi teammates, it's Dave Crosby. I'm speaking for home in Newport Beach, California, late Sunday afternoon. I'm very excited. We're launching now. It's not completed yet, but we've got our website. It's called ufcsaves.com. Don't worry about remembering. It'll be at the bottom of this video and this email. ufcsaves.com. Go on and check it out. It's a great website. You can go on. You can register for free. There's no monthly fees for your own replica website. No monthly fees at all at this point. Nothing. Just go on. You can have your own UFC Saves website with us here as well. There's a couple things I want to point out. We've got on there an opportunity to show you how to make money quickly. That's Make Money Now button. We've got the Save Money Now button, which will shoot them right to a website which will take them to My Utility Brokers. We've got some motivational things. I really want to speak a moment about that. You know, if you're trying to stay positive and motivated in this business, it's very difficult with all negative stuff that happens. It's difficult to stay motivated all the time. And it's a 6 inch between our heads determines our outcomes. So you've got to be very protective of what you're thinking. We are going to be the products next 5 and 10 years of the people we associate with, number one, and the books and tapes and videos which we view. It's true. We're going to be a product of the people we associate with, the books, tapes, and videos which we view and spend our time looking at. So on the motivation side, I really recommend that to you. We've got some wonderful people on there. We've got Greg Duffy. We've got a bunch of people. We've also, the thing I'm most pleased about is we found a recording. It's about 2 hours long, but it's Dale Carnegie, the guy who started all of this. He's the king. He's the master of all of this business, Dale Carnegie. We've got him. And he's on tape. You can listen to him. I would spend 2 hours of my life to listen to that tape. Well, something called The Secret. Go and look at that. Now, the other thing I want to talk about, this energy deregulation, this cool, it's happening. It's happening right now. Let's get in. Let's be ahead of the wave. Let's make this thing work. People, let's not be behind the wave. Let's be ahead of the wave and make this thing work. We're ahead of it. We've got a wonderful opportunity to, number one, save money ourselves, save money for our friends, and what you really should do, you should be a product of the product here. You should come in and buy the products and service yourself so you know you save money. Then build your own testimony around that. Be a product of the product. Don't run from the product. Be a product of the product. Show it to people. Hey, I appreciate it so much. Make it a wonderful Sunday afternoon, the rest of the day. Have a wonderful day, and God bless you. Bye.